Okay, what I'm going to show you is a model aeroplane here which has a sensor in it to help you fly, or to help it fly straight. So what happens is the plane always tries to keep itself flat or straight along the horizon. If it tilts, you can see that inside the aileron fights that tilt. So as it tilts over that way, then the aileron comes up, and if it tilts the other way, then the opposite aileron fights it. So it's always trying to keep itself right and flat along the horizon. So as it tilts that way, the left aileron goes up to force it back again, and if it tilts to the right, then the right aileron goes up to tilt it back again. So it's a control system where the desired is to keep the plane along the horizon, and it's sensed with a gyro built in, so the gyro can sense the amount of tilt that the plane is at. So when it's 0, then it knows that that's the desired position that it needs to be at. Inside the plane is a small microcontroller which is connected to the gyro, so it knows the tilt that the plane is having. The microcontroller is connected to 2 motors on each side of the ailerons, so the output is either one aileron up or the other, depending on the amount of tilt that it has. So it's a closed loop control system because the sensor is the gyro and the actuator is either the left or the right aileron to keep it straight. And it works really well, so the plane will fly by itself and it will keep itself level. It also works for the elevator as well. So if the plane goes into a dive, you might just notice that the elevator rises up slightly, and if the plane is going too high, then the elevator goes down slightly. So that's another control system which is also connected to the gyro, but it looks at the pitch rather than the roll of the aeroplane.